Look at this storybook right here. Would you believe me if I told you I made this for free using AI? The crazy part, books like this can be sold anywhere. Amazon, Etsy, your own website, and people are making real money with them. And today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own storybook with AI, completely free.
Wait, before we jump in, let me show you some of my dashboards quick. I sell these books as well. Here on Amazon and here on Etsy, you can see my storybooks are actually selling. So yes, it's absolutely possible and you can do it too. In this tutorial, we're going to cover 2 different ways you can do this. One using just your mobile phone and another using your computer. So no matter what device you have, you'll be able to follow along. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because this video is truly life-changing. I'll be sharing some powerful techniques on how to make money online with storybooks.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mavumbi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create storybooks with AI for free and how you can actually make money from them. This is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, so stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn simple ideas into storybooks you can sell on platforms like Amazon and Etsy.
All right, let's jump straight in. First, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete storybook using just your mobile phone. This is perfect if you don't have a computer or you just want to work on the go. After that, I'll also show you how to do the exact same thing on your computer.
Okay, these are the steps I'm going to show you. So, you can do in both ways. You can use your phone or you can use computer. So, I'm going to show you both ways. This one is, if you're using your computer, go to Google and type Gemini AI. Once you click that one, go to this one. You see this, the first one here. Click that one and you're going to follow the process I'm going to show you. So this is for computer, but I'm going to show you if you want to use your mobile. You can use your mobile as well. So you can go to your app store. Go to your app store, type Gemini, and then this one you come up, install. Once you install, you come here to open. Once you click here open, you get to this interface. Once you click open, you see how it's going to be here, right here. So make sure you are in 2.5 flash Gemini, and you need to come here. You see here, once you come here, click Storybook. Once you click Storybook, this is where we're going to create our book. Okay, I'm going to show you here. For example, like there's a sample here. They already give a prompt. Like my 7-year-old doesn't want to sleep over at their grandma's house. Create a storybook to help them cope. So there's a lot. They already give you a prompt. You can start with this, but I went to my favorite tools, which is ChatGPT. Here, let me show you. I went to ChatGPT here, and I give him a prompt. I tell him, give me a prompt to give to a Gemini AI. I want these tools to make a storybook about Amina with a magic pot. So this is the prompt it gives to me, and this is the prompt we're going to use to create our book. Okay, so here ChatGPT give me a prompt, nice prompt here. Write a children's book about a curious and brave girl named Amina who discovers a magic pot that can transform her to different world. Each time she steps through, she learns valuable lessons about kindness, courage, friendship, and imagination. Make the story whimsical, colorful, and easy for children to follow. Divide the story into short chapters or scene with vivid description that could be illustrated in a storybook, and with positive moral. So we're going to copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to paste to Gemini. Okay, so here it's up to you. You can give him a short prompt. You don't have to go, like the way I went ChatGPT and you can give me a good prompt. So I'm going to paste this prompt here. Okay, so once I finish this one, this is the prompt we give to him. Now I'm going to click create, it's going to start to create our storybook. So let's give few minutes and we will see what it does for us. Now we start to create our book. So let's give few minutes and see what it's going to create for us. Wow, this is our book now. Our book is open. This is the book. I ask here. Yeah, Amina was a girl with a big heart and even bigger curiosity. She loved exploring her own backyard, which she called the greatest unknown. One Sunday afternoon, while chasing a butterfly with wings like stained glass, she found something she had never seen before. So this is the book. Listen, this is a book cover for me for this book, right? Amina and the Magic Pot by Mivumbi Ahmad. This is my name. This book is wonderful. Any child will want to read this book. Look at this. And the good part is they give you image as well. They give you image. Look at this. Look at this. This is wonderful. It got 12 pages. Look at this. Look at this book. It is wonderful. So this book, listen, this book can sell in any place, copyright free, because this book is yours. You can sell and start to make money. Listen, in this if you go phone, if you go computer, there's no excuse. You can make money with this kind of stuff.
Struggling to grow your YouTube channel? What if I told you that viral storytelling videos are one of the easiest ways to get views, subscribers, and ad revenue, and you don't even need to show your face? That's exactly why I created the Viral AI Storytelling Master Pack. Everything you need to start creating powerful AI-generated stories today. This pack includes adult viral drama scripts and prompts, emotional storylines that keep viewers hooked until the very end, niche story packs so you can expand into multiple profitable niches with variety, kids story scripts, safe, fun, and magical stories perfect for bedtime animations, and bonus training video. I'll show you step-by-step how to take these scripts, use free AI tools like CapCut, and turn them into viral storytelling videos ready for YouTube monetization. If you've been waiting for the right way to start a faceless YouTube channel or scale your content fast, this is it. Click the link in the description right now, grab your copy, and start creating viral storytelling videos today.
Okay, first thing first, we need to have Gemini. So go to Google, type Gemini AI, and once you finish that, sign up with them if you haven't got account with Google. But if you go Google account, you can just sign in with them. Okay, once you sign them there, click this one here, and this is going to be your interface here. Okay, so this is going to be your interface. This is going to be your dashboard, and I want you to come this side here. Okay, Storybook. Okay, you can come here, you can come in Storybook, or you can explore the gem. This is the same thing really. So once you come here, explore the gems, come here, there's it here. You can see the different things you can do here, but we are focusing here. Storybook, create a customized picture book for either children or adult. Give a topic and you can start to create a book. Listen, they even give pictures. Okay, so this is the one we're going to focus. But before we go there, I did first, you can come here, see here, click this one here. Once you click this one here, you can come here down here, and you can start to you can give a prompt, a simple prompt to this AI, which kind of book you want. They already give you some example here. My 7-year-old doesn't want to sleep over at their granny's house. Create a storybook to help them cope. This is the first one, and there's another one here. You can even add image and they can create a story about that image. But in this book, in this video, like I mentioned before, I already create a prompt. My favorite tools, ChatGPT here. Okay, I already come to ChatGPT and I ask him, give me a prompt to give a Gemini AI. I want these tools to make a storybook about Amina with magic pot. So they did here. They give me a nice prompt here, okay, which is this one here. If you want, I can leave this prompt in the description. You can copy and paste, or you can create your own. So I come and copy this one here, and I went back to here to Gemini. I come here and paste this one, okay. And once you do that, you need to click this one here, submit, and your book is going to start to create your book, okay. These are the steps. You're going to start to create your book. Wow, what a book. Now this is our book. This is our book. This is Amina and Shimmering Doorway by Mivumbi Ahmad. Now this is the book. This book will be very nice. Now let's see. This is the cover, okay. Now this is the book. Oh, wonderful. Listen guys, this book is so amazing. This book, Amina, this book can sell anywhere. Listen, and the good part about this book, they even give you image. Let me read here a book a bit. Amina was a girl with heart full of curiosity and mind full of wonder. She loved to explore her backyard, especially the big old baobab tree. And one sunny afternoon, while searching for a lost ladybird, she found something new. Tucked behind the tree was a shimmering, swirling lighting like a bottle of liquid rainbow. That is the first page. And by the way, they even put my name all over the page, each page. Look at this. Look at the book. Listen, this book, any child will want to read this book. Wow, this book is very nice. So in this book, they give us only 10 pages, okay. This book is very, very, very nice. My God, listen, this book you can sell anywhere. You can sell this book in Gumroad, you can sell this book in Etsy, you can sell this book, even eBay can sell this book. There's a lot of places you can sell. Now, if you are interested, if you want to make money, really want to make money, comment down below this video, so I know I can create another video for you guys, so I can show you exactly step by step on how to upload this book, how to go to those platform marketplaces. You can upload this book, how to write down, what to write down for you to start to selling straight away. Let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you guys, okay. So this is our book. This is the end of our book. Let me see here if you can listen to this book. This is another book he created for us. It's about Amina. This is another book he created for us. So I already created 2 books with this one, the same prompt. I created another book. So this is another one. This is Amina and Magic Pot, okay, by Mivumbi Ahmad, which is my name, and this is the book. Look how nice it is. Any child will want to read this book. Any child want to read this book. This book is amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. So this is the book. This book here give us 12 pages. This book you can sell anywhere, and trust it. The good thing about this book is copyright free. Any child want to read this kind of book, it is amazing. As I mentioned, if you need help to upload this book and you can sell, you can start to make money, please comment down below this video. I'm more than happy to help you guys. That's why I'm here for, to help. So let me know you can make money. I'm telling you, you can start to make money selling these books. It's very easy and simple to do this kind of stuff. You see, it takes you 2 minutes to create this book, and you can come this book, you can upload this book, and you can upload it places like Gumroad, Etsy. There's a lot of places you can upload this book and start to make money. Thank you.
And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know exactly how to create your own storybooks with AI for free. If you want to learn even more, like how to actually sell these ebooks, upload them the right way, write professional descriptions, turn them into polished ebooks, market them, and start making money, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to create another full video to cover all of that for you. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my future tutorials. And if you're ready to take things to the next level, you can grab my brand new AI Storytelling Master Prompts and Script Bundle. Inside, you'll get viral drama scripts, kids' story prompts, plus a bonus training video, all at a limited launch discount. Click the link below to get instant access.